name's Tracey, and I'm a dance chair of the UW Hip Hop Student Association. This is my girl Sofi. She's also a dance chair at the UW HHSA. And we both worked really hard to put on this event, Queen of the Hill. Thanks to Folklife for letting us have this space, for 206 Zulu for collabing with us. Thanks to our DJ Gumbo for volunteering his time. Thanks to the dancers that came out from Vancouver, Washington to come dance, and just around Seattle. Thanks to our photographer, and for Canada.
Canada, oh sorry.
Thanks to our videographer, Jay-So, right over there. Thanks to Sam Fu for his filming and photography skills. And I'm going to pass this mic to Sofi, and she's going to talk about UW HHSA.
What's up, y'all? I'm Sofi, like Tracey said. I'm currently a co-dance chair with the Hip Hop Student Association. So HHSA was, just a background, HHSA was formed about 8 years ago in efforts to build a hip hop community around the UW campus and the greater Seattle area. In the past few years, we've been a nonprofit putting on free events for the public just to build that community, and all of our events highlight all 5 elements of hip hop, which include, if y'all didn't know, MC, DJing, b-boying, or all kinds of dance, graffiti, and knowledge. So thanks for coming out. You know, this is a free event, and that's what we do for y'all. So I'll hand it off to Tracey to introduce the event.
We're going to start off with a judge showcase. So this first judge brings over 15 years of breakdancing experience and deep roots in the Seattle hip-hop community. She's traveled to Australia for She Got Game, has been invited to compete in France, and has won the title of Mighty 4 International B-Girl Battle Champion. So give it up for Colleen, aka B-Girl B!
B-Girl B!
Let us tend you with a snack. From the band to the soul, the beats and the facts, and many styles of the competition lack. Whatever taste, you know we have a banana, take California, the liquor like a flash. The function of the glass, the rowdy hippies at the back of the cats. Just let it there for the dance when we take California.
Give it up!
That was B-Girl B. So next up, this judge has been a student of the Fresno style of popping and boogaloo the past 15 years and has taught, performed, judged, and has competed throughout the Pacific Northwest. He's a member of Groove Clan, which is an all-dope popper crew. So give it up for Chris Kaku.
What you know about it? Make some noise, Folklife! Funky!
So our last judge, but certainly not least, she is currently injured, so she can't do a showcase, but she really wishes that she could. But check this bio of hers. She has been a choreographer for Macklemore for the past 6 years, has been on USA and World Tours, MTV Movie Awards, AMA Music Awards, and has worked with Conan O'Brien. She's been seen on Good Morning America and so much more. Give it up, Anna Matuszewski. So this is Queen of the Hill. It's an all-female open styles dance battle. And I want to explain the rules real quick to you guys. So it's 7 to smoke, so whoever wins 7 victories gets the title Queen of the Hill. And they get $100 check from HHSA. They also get some PRC gear, People's Republic of Clothing. They also get Soul Republic headphones, as well as Folklife swag.
Swag.
And a dope Queen of the Hill trophy. Thanks to 206 Zulu for getting that for us. And pretty much each dancer is gonna go 1v1. They're gonna each have 1 minute and 15 seconds per round. Then we're gonna ask our judges 3, 2, 1, go. They're gonna pick the winner. Then we're gonna move on to the next. So, does that make sense, you guys? So we're gonna start by introducing our dancers by the order that they're gonna go. And so the first 2 dancers are gonna be up. The next dancers, as we name them off, are gonna be just sitting on the sidelines in line. So, first dancer. Where's Sophie?
Sophie, she's right there.
What's up, guys? All right, so our first dancer is from Seattle. Her name is Jessica Hu, aka known as Just Too Sick, and she is repping the crew. So if we can bring her out here.
This is about to be so sick.
Alright, our second dancer is from Vancouver. Her name is Carmen de los Santos, and she is repping Diamond in the Rough.
Ooh. I feel like this is just going to be a USA versus Canada kind of battle, huh? Yeah. America!
Alright, our third dancer is from Seattle. B-Girl Lee is also representing Fraggle Rock.
Fraggle Rock crew. B-Girl Lee.
Our fourth lady is from Vancouver. Her name is Erin Walton, and she is with Project Soul. Our fifth girl is from Seattle. Her name is Amy O, and she's with Opposing Forces.
Our sixth girl is from Vancouver, Canada. Her name is Sheena Anderson, and she's repping Konnichiwa.
Hey! You gotta step out a little bit so they can see you.
Seventh girl, repping Seattle and Japan, Kaku Morimoto, aka Potato.
Japan.
Next, repping Vancouver, Noriko Sato, also repping Ice Cream and Robson 800 crew.
Oh my gosh.
Lastly, repping Raymond Washington, PEI crew, Cindy Singarath. Without further ado, let's get this battle going.